everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, if you can see, my hair is in a protective style. So you guys know I love doing protective styles in my hair to help it grow. If you guys seen an old video on my channel, it's really old. It's where I actually use the synthetic hair to braid my hair. I stopped using those a while ago because it used to itch my scalp like crazy. So I just gave up on using it and I just started using yarn, which worked great for me. I love them. But I always wanted to do this hairstyle and I couldn't really achieve it with the yarns the way I wanted to. So I went to go look up how to do this. It was simple. The first thing I wanted to figure out is how to stop my scalp from itching. And it was very easy. As I watch a couple of videos on YouTube, all you do is take the hair, the root part where you're going to braid, you soak it in warm water and apple cider vinegar for 20 minutes. I did that. My scalp doesn't itch. It feels great, so I'm happy with that. And afterwards guys, I just use a couple of products like I always do. The first thing I did was make sure I put some moisture in there. I use my leave-in herbal spray. If you don't know how to make that, it's on my channel. You can go watch that. And after that, I use the True Made by Beautiful hydrating hair butter. I noticed when I use that butter in my hair feels hydrated, it stays moisturized longer, so I started using that more in my hair. And I also go in and add in my sealant butter, which I also have a video on how to make that DIY butter on my channel. You can check it out and make it for yourself. And I just braid it. Now the fun technique that I learned that I had to learn was how to wrap this hair around my hair so I can get this look. Now if you guys can see how it looks, it's not perfect. Of course, this is the first time I've ever tried this. I believe it's called the invisible root method. And basically you take your hair, you separate the hair into how many parts you want, and you wrap your hair around the roots of this. Basically the first little part of it, you start wrapping a piece of the hair. You just twist it just like you would your regular hair. Now what I did guys was I crisscrossed the root before I started wrapping it the opposite direction. I noticed that gave me a better hold. It looked better, and if you guys can see, this is one of my favorite ones. It actually came out quite good. It came out and it's holding and it looks good. So it was very simple to do. Actually, it just took me a little bit longer to get the technique down. So this together took me about 6 hours to do, which is quite a long time still, but I'm happy with the result. I love it. I had fun doing this. And the other thing guys I did, which was very simple, I added some fun little hair jewelry to it. Now I don't have your typical hair jewelry. This is just jewelry from my art box I got. And this is just jewelry wire. I wrapped this basically just around one of my long wood piece I had, and it turned out to be like this, and I basically just spread it out over the hair. It was fun. You can do it as long as you want. If you guys can see, this one's quite long. I have another one here which is a little bit shorter because it only comes about halfway, and I did a fun little design on it. So you guys can do this however you want, make any design that you want on it. These are just bracelet wires that I did. They're different colors. This is just white and this is just multicolor one. I just crisscross wrap it around the hair. Two little quick tips that I see that I wanted to give you guys is, if you are doing this with gel, it will probably give you a better grip. I've seen just about everybody do it with gel. I didn't have any. I didn't think about it, so I didn't get any. So next time I do this again, I will be doing it with gel most likely. I'm only leaving this in for 2 weeks, so it's not going to be a super long protective style or anything like that. So it won't be long. I'll be able to redo it again and learn to master this. And I noticed if you guys do this on older hair, not too old hair, I didn't really do anything for 2 days. I washed my hair, just put in some leave-in and left it. And after those 2 days, my hair was stretched out a little bit more. So I got more stretch out of my hair. It was easier to braid it. It didn't shrink up, so the roots don't come up as they would if I didn't let my hair stretch out. So if you don't have a problem with that, that's fine. Then go ahead and braid your hair. So that's pretty much it guys. Very simple protective style. I love this. I had fun doing it, and I had fun adding the jewelries. It was super exciting to do. So if you guys try this or know any tips how to improve on doing this, because I had fun doing this, I want to improve on my technique on it, leave those tips in the comments down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, go over and watch my last video.